Hey, you guys, we are in our peaches and cream section. I think Tiffany does have some videos on this one. I think I set up one, so you'll have to get it today. So this is our peaches and cream section. This is on a 7.5-foot flocked starry lights tree. We do have those in stock. You can shop those. They change to multi-lights, or you can do them on clear lights, so it has different functions. You can check that out. Tracy did this tree. She used a 4-inch cream with gold DuPont ribbon that is phenomenal. This gold 1.5-inch that she used is a 25-yard roll. So if you're looking for some ribbon that you need to cover a tree, look for our 25-yard rolls of ribbon. She also used a cream colored velvet, a 2.5-inch velvet on this. But this tree is our peaches and cream, and so we have our pinks and peachy colors. This peach magnolia here is beautiful. It's got flocked on it. It's got a beautiful center in it. We've got poinsettias on here that have some pinky peachy colors on them. We've got the cream colored magnolias as well that are really, really large on here. And look at this glass ball right here. It is so pretty. This marble look. It's the white with the gold marbling on it. It is beautiful. This is a large ball that's an 8 to 10-inch ball. We have some cream colored flock balls on here. This is a beautiful tree. She's put a little bit different. She's kind of fanned out all of her sprays on it. There is this ball that we've had that is a peachy color that's got some gold iridescent on it. This is really pretty. So if you're looking for something different, this ball right here has done really well to be a different type of ball. This tree has turned out really well. There's a cream colored with gold edge poinsettia right here, and it's got that goldish cream color in the middle, and then you've got your flocking on this ball that is the same colors. This tree turned out really well. This is called our peaches and cream. So if you want to look in that collection and peaches and cream, you can find a whole lot more than what is on this tree. This is just some featured items that we have on this tree, but we do have other items in our peaches and cream section. If you'll go under collections and check that out, you'll see all of this stuff and so much more in our peaches and cream section. So hope you love this tree. I know Tracy had a good time doing this and trying to find some different ways to do some things on it. So y'all check it out at tmigifts.com.